Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV, where we bring you honest, detailed product insights. Today, we're checking out the Bissell 28806 Perfect Sweep Turbo in gray. This little sweeper might look unassuming, but it packs some solid features that could make your daily cleanups easier. Let's break down what this vacuum is all about and whether it's the right fit for your home. At its core, the Bissell 28806 is a compact, cordless sweeper designed for quick and easy cleanups on hard floors, low-pile carpets, and area rugs. With a dirt cup capacity of 480 milliliters, it's clear that this sweeper is built for everyday use rather than deep cleaning. It's lightweight, weighing just over 4 pounds, which makes it an ideal option for those who need something easy to maneuver, whether it's quick spot cleaning in the kitchen or around the living room. But does it live up to the promise of convenience? Let's dive into the details. When it comes to suction power, the Bissell 28806 doesn't aim to rival larger vacuums, but it certainly holds its own for its class. It uses a combination of a motorized brush roll and a suction nozzle, which helps lift dust and debris from both hard floors and low carpets. The motorized brush is particularly effective for sweeping up pet hair, crumbs, and dust without the need for a full-size vacuum. But keep in mind, while it works great for surface-level dirt, you'll want a more powerful machine if you're looking for something that can handle thick carpets or deep cleaning. The filtration system is basic, but sufficient for light, everyday use. It's not a HEPA filter, so it won't trap allergens and dust particles to the same level as higher-end models, but it's suitable for general household cleaning. If you suffer from allergies, this might not be your top pick, as it won't do much for fine dust or airborne particles. For those with sensitive respiratory systems, you may want to consider something with a stronger filtration system. As for maneuverability, the Bissell 28806 is a breeze to use. The swivel steering allows it to easily navigate around furniture and into tight corners. Its compact design makes it perfect for quick spot cleans, and you can easily switch between different rooms without feeling bogged down by a heavy vacuum. It's also great for tackling stairs and upholstery with the right angle, though you won't get the extensive range of attachments that a full vacuum would provide. Battery life is something worth mentioning here. The Bissell 28806 runs on a rechargeable battery, and it delivers up to 60 minutes of cleaning on a full charge. That's pretty decent for a cordless model in this price range. However, if you're running it on high power for tough spots or thick dirt, the battery life drops, so keep that in mind if you need to clean for long stretches. Also, while it's great for light tasks, its 480 milliliter dustbin does require more frequent emptying than larger models, so don't expect it to handle a whole house cleaning session without needing a quick dump. When you're using it, the noise level is definitely lower than that of traditional vacuums. You won't feel like you're disturbing the whole house, which is nice if you've got pets or small children napping. The noise level, though, still makes it a little less than ideal for ultra-quiet settings like offices or bedrooms where you might want something even quieter. In terms of maintenance, the Bissell 28806 doesn't present much hassle. The brush roll is easy to clean, which is a big plus if you're dealing with pet hair. The dirt cup is also straightforward to empty, although you'll need to clean it out more frequently than you would with a larger capacity vacuum. Some users have noted that the dirt cup can be a little tricky to snap back into place, but with a little practice, it's manageable. Now let's talk about the competition. At this price point, the Bissell 28806 is facing off with a few other popular options, such as the Black Decker Flex Vac and the Shark Navigator Freestyle cordless stick. While those options are in the same range, the Bissell stands out for its lightweight design and ease of use. The Black Decker, for instance, has a slightly longer battery life, but might be a bit bulkier in design. The Shark Navigator, on the other hand, offers more power and versatility, though it's heavier and typically costs a little more. If you're looking for something affordable and quick to grab for light cleaning, the Bissell makes a strong case. As far as build quality goes, the Bissell 28806 feels sturdy for its category. It's made of plastic, but it's not the flimsy, lightweight plastic that feels like it might break on the first drop. The brush roll and motorized parts feel well made though. As with any product in this price range, expect a bit of wear and tear over time. The battery life, especially in high power mode, can decline after extended use, but that's typical for most cordless vacuums. If you have a relatively small home or apartment with mostly hard floors, the Bissell 28806 could be a great fit. It's simple, effective for light cleaning, and doesn't take up much space. However, if you live in a large home with a lot of carpet, or if you need a vacuum that can handle deep cleaning on a regular basis, you might want to step up to something with more power and filtration. The 28806 is perfect for quick spot cleaning, but it may fall short when it comes to more demanding tasks. When it comes to value for money, the Bissell 28806 is a good deal for what it offers. It's not going to replace your full-size vacuum, but it's an excellent option if you need something to keep around for daily touch-ups, especially in smaller spaces. If you're looking for something more powerful, with longer battery life or better filtration, there are alternatives on the market, but you'll likely have to pay a bit more for those upgrades. To sum it up, the Bissell 28806 is a solid choice for anyone looking for a lightweight, easy-to-use, and affordable cordless sweeper for quick cleanups. It's particularly great for hard floors and low-pile carpets, and it's efficient for tackling pet hair and smaller messes. While it might not handle heavy-duty cleaning or deep carpet suction, it fits the bill for light, everyday tasks. For those looking to maintain their floors between deeper cleans, the Bissell 28806 could be a perfect match. Thanks for tuning in. You can find the link to grab the Bissell 28806 in the comments box below. If you have any questions, or if you already own one, feel free to drop your thoughts in the comments. Goodbye till next time. Keep your spaces spotless, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found this helpful.